welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to turn off the time from the system tray. By default, Windows will show the time here. If you don't want it, you have to go to the settings. After that, go to the time and language. From there, go to date and time. And here you have this option enabled which says show time and date in the system tray. If you don't want that, you turn it off and it's gone from here. If you want it, toggle it on, it's back here. So this is how you show time and date in the system tray, or if you don't want, you just toggle it off. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and like our video too. Thanks a lot.